I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fill out an insurance claim form. First, gather all essential documents like your policy details and any incident reports. Make sure you have your policy number readily available, along with the exact date and time of the event. Also, collect contact information for everyone involved, including witnesses. This initial preparation will save you time and ensure accuracy as you proceed with your claim. Next, carefully fill in your personal details and policyholder information on the form. Be precise when describing the incident, including the sequence of events and any damages or injuries. Remember to attach all supporting documents, such as photographs of damage, medical reports, or official police reports. These details are crucial for a thorough and swift review of your claim by the insurance company. Before submitting, take a few minutes to thoroughly review every section of your completed claim form. Double-check for any errors or missing information, as even small mistakes can cause delays. Ensure you sign and date the form in all designated areas. Finally, make a copy of the entire submission for your personal records, which is a good practice for future reference. After submitting your claim, you will typically receive a claim number. Keep this number handy for all future communications. Be prepared to respond promptly to any additional information requests from your insurance provider. Understanding the typical processing timeline, which can range from a few days to several weeks depending on complexity, will help manage your expectations during this period.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.